across the table. But unfortunately, your management and particularly your GMP, let me tell you, she is trying to avoid me. Forget me. They are trying to avoid your own this staff. In other banks, no management will at least avoid their own staff. He is not allowed. And he is your general secretary in Bank of Baroda. And retired persons, just because some people have underground loyalty developed over the period, have a meeting with him without appointment, then do you expect us that we knock on the doors or we kick the door open and walk in?
What do you think is correct?
I think we should knock the doors and open, come in. But then the management are also a reciprocal to play.
We will be reciprocal.
If you are good enough in listening our issues and then believing in one thing, that whatever arguments are right, whatever issues are right, should be done, should be considered, irrespective of union affiliations. You may not belong to the same school of thought I belong to, but that does not mean you should have bias, and your bias should be exposed and could be visibly seen in a personal department. Please, Mr. Joshi, I would like to request you only one thing. Please tell your personal department to mend its ways.
No, you have given the memorandum.
I have given the memorandum.
Yeah.
I just wanted to put things before you.
Sure.
Greater Mumbai zone is the most important zone business-wise. Changes proposed are very drastic. The effectiveness of business is not clear. This proposed change are utterly against interest and convenience of employees at all levels. And Greater Mumbai zone is selected for the changes on pilot basis. Even a layman will tell you that this is not a good decision. These experiments mean boomerang on us. We can take an example of Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank has converted its Mumbai Circle office into two circles. One is Mumbai Circle and Savannah Circle. Why? Because they have done it, what we are going to do, they have done it previously and it got failed. Their branches are few, still they have split the circle, but we are dismantling our regional office and convert our function into one zonal office. It's very unfair. I think proper homework is not done by the BOP management. They have to think about it. They have to think of the welfare of the employees while doing it. Because this is the only thing which can give the business. Consultants which are appointed by the bank, they are paid very fat salaries, heavy salaries, when they are there, they are needed at all. What about our own executives? They have worked hard and come up. They know customer psychology, work culture. They have overall idea about other bank functions also. Are our executives so much inferior? We also have IT consultants. Why then Pinnacle 10 debacle took place? Nearly for 2 months there were chaos. We lost many customers, including core customers who were loyal to us for years and decades. Our generations, these loyal customers, when once lost, will never come back. Also, there are no visible efforts to bring back the loyal customers. Consultants failed to take corrective action. Did they think about it? No. Who has taken the responsibility of Pinnacle 10? We are serious in asking this question. We have lost precious business due to one single mistake and wrong decision. We have lost business. I am aware of the third-party products. We do not have adequate manpower. We lack infrastructure. Our employees are overburdened. We still push third-party products. It's not our business. A few attractions like foreign tours, incentives force our executive branches to sell third-party products. We have staff shortage. Shortage of staff is continuously tolerated, but at what cost? Existing employees are squeezed. They work beyond normal working hours. It affects their family life. Health.